Today we'll discuss about real diode. The ideal diode equation is not quite accurate in describing the IV characteristics of a real diode. The several deviations from the ideal behavior are observed in a significant range of useful bias. There are some attributes to the following effects of a real diode. That is, first one is the generation and recombination of electron hole pairs in the depletion region. Second one is voltage drops across associated with the electric field in the neutral N and P region. The current arising from the leakages across the surface of the junction. The onset of high level injection. The first three effects will be considered in this real diode. The generation and recombination of electrons holes in the pair, the depletion region. We have to inject the electrons and holes in the depletion region, P and N regions in a PN junction. There is some generation and recombination processes there. Next, the carrier generation, recombination in the junction depletion region. The depletion region contains generation recombination centers. Under a forward bias, the injected electrons and holes move through this region and some of them are lost by recombination. This gives rise to a recombination current that is to be added to the current given by the idealized model. Under reverse bias condition, carriers are pushed out of this region and electrons and holes concentration fall for below their equilibrium values. Thus, there is a net generation of carriers giving rise to generation current. To obtain mathematical expression for the generation and recombination current in the depletion region. Therefore, these are the some general discussions in the carrier generation and recombination in the junction depletion region. Now we discuss about the mathematical expression for the generation recombination current in the depletion region. Here Pn is equal to Na square expansion Va by Vt. Here Va is applied voltage, Pn is the product of in the depletion region. The excess carrier recombination rate U in the depletion region of a biased PN junction can be obtained. Therefore, U is equal to Na square into expansion Va by Vt minus 1 tau P0 into N plus N1 plus tau N0 into P plus T1. Here, for a reverse biased junction, Va is applied voltage is negative and excess carrier recombination rate U is a net rate of generation of electron hole pairs. If the reverse voltage is higher than the 0.1 volt, both P and N become negligible and U can be written as U is equal to minus Na square by tau P0 N1 plus tau N0 T1. Here tau P0 and tau N0 is equal to tau naught and the trap level Et is situated at the intrinsic Fermi level, that is Ei, so that N1 is equal to P1 is equal to N1. Therefore, the excess carrier recombination rate U is equal to minus Ni by 2. Here, tau is the effective lifetime of carriers in the depletion region The generation current IGN is obtained by integrating U over the entire width of the depletion region is I generation is equal to Q A integral xn to minus xp u dx is equal to minus Q A n w by 2 tau naught. Here A and double is the junction area and the depletion region width, and a negative sign indicates that the current flows in reverse bias. Under forward bias, the integral is not possible, the above equation, and a number of simplifying assumptions are made to deduce the dependence of current and the applied voltage T tau naught is equal to tau n naught is equal to tau naught, and n1 is equal to p1 is equal to ni is u is equal to I ni square expansion Va by Vt minus 1 by tau is into n p plus 2n. Here we discuss about the excess carrier recombination rate. U reaches its maximum value at a location in the depletion region where the sum P plus N is minimized. Since the Pn product is given, it can be easily seen that P plus N is minimized. Therefore, when P is equal to N is equal to Ni expansion Va by 2 Vt. Substituting the above value in U, therefore U is equal to U maximum is equal to Ni square is equal to expansion Va by Vt minus 1 by 2 tau into expansion Vt by 2 Vt plus 1. Assuming that U is equal to U maximum over the whole the depletion region, the recombination current I generation is equal to Q A W U maximum can be written as I recombination is equal to Q A Ni W by 2 tau naught expansion V I by 2 Vt minus 1. Therefore, here the term outside of the bracket of the above equation of the generation current. Therefore, generation current I Rg is equal to I Ro expansion Va by 2 Vt minus 1. Here I Ro is equal to Q A Ni W by 2 tau naught. The current IRG represents the generation current. Therefore, generation current IGN is equal to minus IRO in reverse bias diode, and a recombination current in a forward bias diode. This is called as the ideal diode and real diode and a recombination system. Thank you.